Hi everyone, this is Dr. Rujuta Puranik and welcome back to another YouTube video. I think I have got this time after a really long break and मुझे लगता है कि it's been a really long time since मैंने एक YouTube video shoot किया है. So I just hope you guys enjoy this video. So sit back, relax and maybe have a good time listening to what is going on in my life. I thought I will make like a planned video with sections and a lot of editing, but then I feel like it will be better if it's like a heart to heart conversation. So I thought I'll divide the video into the spaces that I want to talk about. So first is work, then is life and lifestyle and life changes, then third is relationship, and the last part is in general just my June takeaways or whatever I want to, just random. Last part is random. Coming to work, the thing is that I am officially a second year DNB OBGY resident and I got my juniors in the month of Feb. But it takes time for them also to adjust and get to know things. So I feel that जितना जो भी लोग बोलते हैं सेकेंड ईयर थोड़ा सा हनीमून पीरियड जैसा रहता है एटलीस्ट फॉर DNB, आई थिंक आवर सेकेंड ईयर इज़ गोइंग टू गेट ओवर इन अक्टूबर एंड it's like where did the time fly. मतलब almost till Feb we were like first years and अभी अचानक से सेकेंड ईयर जैसा फीलिंग आ रहा है, पर अभी पता है कि ये फीलिंग जा सकता है क्योंकि अभी soon we are going to be the exam going batch and फिर thesis का काम लगने वाला है and just thinking about all this is making me very nervous. So in terms of work it's a little bit so I would say because अभी तक कॉन्फिडेंस इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. केसेस तो कर रहे हैं, चांसेस भी मिल रहे हैं, बट देन देर इज़ ऑलवेज दैट सेल्फ डाउट दैट am I going to be able to handle it myself or just there's a lot of self questioning that is happening. तो इसलिए ऐसा लगता है यार am I capable? दैट इज़ द क्वेश्चन दैट्स कमिंग इन माई माइंड. बट अभी लगता है कि थोड़ा पढ़ाई पे फोकस करना चाहिए बिकॉज जितने भी सारे सीनियर्स हैं उन्होंने भी यही बोला है कि योर PG इज़ द ओनली टाइम दैट यू विल गेट टू स्टडी और रीड स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स एंड ये सब. बट पढ़ाई तो हो नहीं रही है. डिस्चार्ज समरीज से थोड़ा सा ये हो गया है, अभी डिस्चार्ज समरीज तो नहीं बनाने पड़ते, बट वो टाइम जो मैं सेव कर रही हूँ डिस्चार्ज समरीज ना बना के पता नहीं किधर जा रहा है. आई रियली डोंट नो हाउ आई यूज टू मैनेज. सो दैट्स रिगार्डिंग वर्क. Now coming to lifestyle, the thing is that I feel it's been 1.5 years of living alone and I have somewhat started enjoying my company, but there are days when I do feel a little lonely or मतलब घर से बात होती है, नैनी से बात होती है, दोस्तों से बात होती है, बट स्टिल देर इज़ सम टाइम ऑफ द डे वेयर इट फील्स लाइक अरे मे बी रूममेट होना चाहिए था. बट देन देर आर मोर प्रोज to staying alone than cons is in my head. So I don't know if you are someone who has a roommate, tell me what's good about it and vice versa. मतलब मुझे comments में बताओ तुम लोग को क्या लगता है, roommate होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए. Coming to how I feel I have improved on myself is that I have some time on my hands, so I'm thinking about at least doing some sort of a workout every day. या फिर मेरा टारगेट रहता है that at least मेरे जो रिंग्स है एप्पल वॉच वाले वो रिंग्स तो मैं पूरे कर जाऊँ. इफ़ एट ऑल आई फील कि या तो जिम जाना है या फिर शाम को वॉक पे जाना है. So other than duty and post duty days, I try to go to the gym or go for a walk. Eating clean has been a task. I think मुझे Zomato delete करना चाहिए. That's what's stopping me. Zomato is the culprit क्योंकि पता नहीं कैसे अपने आप जब भूख लगती है my hands will go to Zomato and then I'll order something. So that I need to take care of. But physically, emotionally and mentally we have been taking care of ourselves. So I would say that is a plus in the updates section कि हाँ ठीक है थोड़ा बहुत तो ध्यान दिया जा रहा है. Next is coming to skincare. So as you all might have seen बीच में, and this is like I don't know how does this happen. मेरी एंगेजमेंट मार्च में थी एंड आई डोंट नो वाई सडनली इन जैन आई हैड लाइक द वर्स्ट ब्रेकआउट ऑफ माई लाइफ. मतलब मुझे इतने पिंपल्स नहीं आते, इट्स हार्डली 1 or 2 एंड दैट टू इट्स लाइक प्री मेंस्ट्रुअल, तो वो आते हैं पीरियड्स खत्म होने के बाद चले जाते हैं. बट सडनली इन जैन आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग दिस ब्रेकआउट, मतलब मेरे पूरे चीक्स पे आई हैड पिंपल्स एंड पूरा आई डोंट नो दिस इट वाज हार्मोनल एक्ने और व्हाट, आई डोंट नो, स्ट्रेस था क्या था, आई डोंट नो. बट देन I was getting a lot of pimples, but my skin has been doing a bit better. I got a dermat consultation. I have been doing my skincare
Do you
daily.
know what the skin hates? Clogging and dirt. And niacinamide is the ingredient that clears up everything, including your doubts and your pores. But the big question is, when do you use it? AM or PM? Well, both. It's like that one friend who fits into every group chat. Niacinamide plays well in the morning and at night. Just apply it after cleansing and before moisturizing. Before or after sunscreen? Before. Sunscreen's the bouncer, niacinamide's the VIP. You want it to enter first and do its magic. With vitamin C, yes, skincare has evolved. So there's no more wars between niacinamide and vitamin C. What does it do? Reduce dark spots, clears blemishes, controls oils, shrinks pores, basically tells your skin to calm down. Now, if you don't want one that doesn't just sit on your face but actually goes deep, try the Dermaco's 10% niacinamide serum with its deep penetration formula. It absorbs better and works harder. Perfect for oily skin and acne marks. And here's a smarter reason to shop. Every time you buy from the Dermaco, they link your order to help educate a child through the Young Scientists Initiative with the Bhumi Foundation. Over 20,000 plus students support it already, and your skincare can do good too. Use my coupon code RUJITA2025 for a discount on the Dermaco website, and it's also available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, and Purple. Glowing skin isn't about applying more, it's about applying smart. Check with your dermat and do give it a try.
Now, coming to the part that I think you have been waiting for, relationship updates. If you didn't already know, your girl is engaged. I got engaged to Dr. Naini Shahir एंड मैंने उसको बहुत बार बोला है कि भाई प्लीज़ कुछ तो वीडियो बना ले, क्योंकि मैं जितने भी वीडियो बना लूँ कमेंट सिर्फ एक ही आना है, where is Nainish, what is he doing, is he depressed, what's going on with him. So everyone wants an update video from Nainish. So if you are someone who wants to see him back on the channel, make sure you're putting a diamond emoji for him so that he understands, अरे इतने लोगों ने diamond emoji डाला है, people want to see me, so please that will give him some motivation, I hope. तो उसके लिए diamond emoji डालना comments में. And the thing is that long distance relationship post, like अभी तो वो मेरा fiance है, I won't say it's like oh wow sweet butterflies ये सब. It is tough, but I think we are managing quite well, I feel. I don't know, pata nahi. The next part is like my June takeaway. So I have been seeing like YouTube for a very long time, and I always had this sort of fantasy of making a monthly takeaway video. Like मुझे ऐसा लगता था मैं जब बहुत छोटी थी कि अगर मेरा YouTube channel रहेगा तो every month I will make this monthly takeaways video. So I thought, why not in this video I will say regarding what happened nice in June. Favorite moment of the month. So I was on night duty and it was almost like 5:36 and I had an ER call, and it was a patient with previous LSCS and she had leaking PV and she had to be taken for emergency LSCS, and her baby was around 1.9 to 2 kgs approximately. So then we told her regarding all the complications associated with premature delivery. At night you have an SR with you, and my SR asked me that are you confident, can you do this case? And in emergency you sort of, as a second year resident, you feel ki, you know, I don't want anything to go wrong. But then I said yes. I did that case entirely, and the moment that baby girl was delivered and she cried like a proper cry, you can't explain this to everyone in words. The feeling of like delivering a baby, you can't. It's just different. And no one has that ability other than obstetricians, I feel, to, you know, get life into this world. And we are the ones who will see the baby before even the mother does. So it was really special, and the fact that I did that case was like moment of the month, because I still remember that entire scene and I don't think I'll forget it for a really long time. Favorite read or favorite watch? So I have been following mostly Sane aka Prajakta Koi on Instagram for a long time, and I have developed this habit of reading books. So there are many rom-com novels that I have read, and I will just attach them here. So all of these are equally good and like a quick read, and you'll enjoy any of these. Then coming to what I have binged watched, I think I am a serial Netflix watcher. So my hand by default will go to Netflix when I'm having my dinner. Finished off Rana Naidu, the second season. It's good. Then I finished a lot of movies which have come on Friday over the weekend. I finished many series. I think I will just attach all of them because अभी इस moment पे मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है. I know मुझे वीडियो देखने से पहले देखना चाहिए था Netflix पे मैंने क्या क्या देखा है. But then if I really don't have anything to watch, I'll just put on any House MD episode and I'll just have my dinner watching House MD. So that is my like favorite series. It won't be of the month. It'll be like lifetime favorite series. So that's about that. Then coming to some residency realizations that I got in the month of June. So the first thing is that I need to start studying. I'm saying start. I don't know who all are seeing this video, but I have started studying, guys. थोड़ा थोड़ा तो मैं पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे रही हूँ. मतलब at least I'm looking at things that I see, like cases that have come to the OPD or what I saw in the OT, and थोड़ा थोड़ा तो I've started studying. But sometimes in the middle I just feel overwhelmed कि अरे कैसा होगा. I used to feel कि OBGY इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है पढ़ाई करने के लिए. But when you think of the fact that everything that you've learned till now, you have to read along with the, no, I won't say complication, but along with pregnancy. Like pregnancy के साथ ये सारी चीजें हो सकती है. It's a bit overwhelming, and you need to understand all of that because obstetric medicine is like a huge thing, and like मुझे मतलब नहीं आता इतना, तो पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए basically is what I have realized. I know this from before only, but जून में ऐसा realization हुआ कि अरे अभ्यास करायला पाहिजे. Coming to the next thing is that in June I was traveling back home, and the day the Ahmedabad flight incident happened, I was supposed to go to the airport and catch a flight, and I swear nothing other than the fact that life is unpredictable was the only thought running in my mind. I was in the hospital at 3 o'clock. You know, I was thinking कि I have to leave a bit early, reach the airport a bit early, and I just opened my phone, and everywhere I can see the videos and the news of the plane crash. And the fact that it happened over PJ Medical in Ahmedabad, and then students who are eating, the only thing that was running in my head was that life is seriously unpredictable. So you just have to make the most of it. Whatever you have, you don't know, you can't predict what will happen tomorrow. So I believe that whatever's going on in today, no matter how much you plan regarding your future, you should learn to be happy in the present. So that is my residency / life realization that I got in the month of June. Coming to the next thing I have learned is show up daily. So no matter how bad you're feeling, make sure that you don't put that baggage over someone else, and just make sure you try to teach yourself. I don't know how far it makes sense, but my last takeaway message is that June was a quiet month. I don't know, कुछ तो लिखा था यार चैट जीपीटी में जून के बारे में, पता नहीं, समझ में नहीं आया. But yeah, that was regarding my June video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you like this sort of a sit down video, then please give me some encouragement so that I will do this every month की monthly takeaways. And नेमिश ने मुझे वैसे promise किया है वो अभी regular रहेगा. Don't know when his comeback video will come, but like I said, that diamond in the comment box should help motivate. So see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.